Virginia Hunting Dog Alliance is working to secure for posterity the heritage of hunting with dogs in the Commonwealth of Virginia and to promote and advance the opportunities to use dogs for hunting through aggressive educational programs and political action. Educational programs will promote hunting with dogs to the general public, the sportsman's community, and elected officials. Political action may include all state and local offices and will include lobbying the members of the Virginia General Assembly in support of the right to hunt with dogs. Today, our membership stands at over 80,000, and it is our goal to enlist all of the 190,000 hunting with dogs in Virginia. We have fought some extremely tough battles. The infamous hound study conducted by the Department of Game and Inland Fisheries was derailed due to hard work and determination. In 2010, there were 11 bills introduced in the General Assembly that were detrimental to hunting or hunting dog owners. Through the hard work of lobbyists, 10 of them were killed in committee and the 11th was rewritten to protect dog hunters. In the last 3 years, over 30 bills that were detrimental to hunting with dogs were defeated.